Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Cell panel lets you adjust the amount of space or padding around images or text in a cell. Use the Amount slider to add space and points around an image or text. By default, Lightroom Classic CC applies padding uniformly to all sides of a cell. However, you can click the triangle to the right of the word padding to apply different amounts of padding to each side of a cell. Be sure to click the Link All option to apply different padding amounts to different cell sides. Then you can adjust the left, right, top, and bottom amounts independently. To apply padding adjustments to more than one cell at a time, simply select multiple cells in the preview area before making your adjustments. To change the photo border color of a selected cell or cells on a page in the image preview area, select the cell or cells first. Then check the Photo Border Color checkbox in the Cell panel. To change the cell border color, click the color box to the right of the Photo Border Color label, and then select a color from the Photo Border Color box that appears. You can slide the slider at the right side of the dialog box upward to see the colors in the main palette area. Then click to select a color to apply. Then click the X button in the upper left corner of the box to apply it, or press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit without selecting a color instead. To set the width of the border in points, click and drag the width slider in the Cell panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.